Hello friends, this is me, Mahvish, your host. Welcome back to our channel Best Book for You. I hope you all are well and doing great. Today I am back with another video with another book to give a review on. But before we move towards the book, I want to tell you about this website that we have, which link is given just in front of you on the slide, which is www.bestbookforyou.co.uk. So this is our website on which you can find every best-selling book. All the books that I had reviewed on this channel and many more other books on incredible prices. So if you wanted to read any one of these books or you wanted to buy it for your friends or family to gift it, so you can buy it easily from our website. So what are you waiting for? Just visit our website right now and buy your favorite books. Okay, now we have also this other website available about UK Top. Here you can find most of the daily use product that you can use for your daily use, and many discounts and offers are also available. So if you are interested in buying these products, you can visit our website right now, and the EV website is also connected with this channel. Okay, now let's move towards the book that we're going to see today is the One Click by Andrea Mera. One Click by Andrea Maria is a gripping thriller that explores the dark side of technology and the consequences of digital footprint. Mara skillfully weaves together a suspenseful narrative that delves into the complexities of online identity and privacy. The story follows Alice, a seemingly ordinary woman whose life takes a sinister turn when she becomes the target of cyber stalker. As Alice struggles to unravel the mystery behind her tormentor's identity, Mara keeps readers on the edge of the seats with twists and turns that will leave them guessing until the very end. When Lauren takes a photo of a stranger on a beach and shares it online, she has no idea that what will come of that single click. Her daughters are surprised that she posted a photo without consent. But it's only when she starts to get anonymous messages about the woman on the beach that she deletes the photo. It is too little too late, and the messages escalate, prompting Lauren to confess to the woman. The woman has her own dark story, one that might explain the messages. But Lauren isn't convinced. Then her ex-husband begins to harass her, telling her she shares too much online and brought this on herself. She is also dealing with other problems. A difficult, a difficult client at work starts to show up in places he shouldn't be. Her younger daughter is behaving out of character, and Lauren can't work out what's wrong. And the cracks are literally beginning to show in her old South Dublin house. mirroring the cracks in her carefully curated life. Meanwhile, the messages from the internet troll becomes more personal and more vindictive. Her friends feel she should stand up to her stalker, but Lauren isn't so sure. And then she makes one small mistake that brings everything tumbling down. We begin with imagery that is impeccable and puts us right there enjoying the holiday with Lauren and her daughters. Our lead, Lauren, is on a beach and sees a woman. That is the definition of relaxed, and it makes her think back to how she spent her time before the daily grind became a grind. So she starts a hashtag and shares the photo. I love that it was her teenage daughter that called her out on it, and Lauren trying to backtrack and justify something she warns her children about. It was hilarious that I jumped straight into the holiday, enjoying the vividness of all of it, and then, as I often do with thrillers, suddenly remembered this is going to get bad. There was so much I loved from the start: the ease of the interaction with the lead and her daughters, the background to her work as a single parent psychologist, and so on, all was muddied by tweets by an unknown wanting to know who the girl in the photo was. Saying that, I have to admit, as much as I enjoyed the first half for the every day, when I got to the jumps and the scares, I realized I could have done with just a few more. And a teeny tiny bit less about the morality of use of social media, although that is supposed to be the talking point of the book. So I am probably in the minority on this. Speaking of the thriller aspect to the book, it is funny that I decide what way I want a book to go. And so I was very excited when we came across the girl a second time. There is a series of unplaytables in the book, giving us some choices as to who the person who is now openly stalking Lauren, not only online, but in real life too. And I was all over the place trying to figure out the culprit. We were led around and about every garden path, and I savored it, adoring the unease created and gobbled up the later part of the book, in particular a conclusion that was right up my street. What sets One Click apart is Maria's insightful exploration of the psychological toll of cyberbullying and online harassment. Furthermore, Mara's prose is crisp and engaging, pulling readers in Alice's world and keeping them hooked from the first page to the last. Overall, One Click is a compelling thriller that offers both entertainment and food for thought. It serves as a timely reminder of the dangers lurking in the digital realm and the importance of vigilance in safeguarding our online lives. Andrea Mera proves herself to be a master storyteller. So this is all we have about the story. If you wanted to know more about this book, you can buy it from our website. I'll be back with another book. Till then, just take care and goodbye.